Hello, everyone. In this lesson, we're going to look at why you would want to study computer science. We'll look at the importance of computer science and information technology in today's world and some of the real benefits that you can gain from studying computer science. So let's go ahead and get started. So why study computer science? You are part of the most connected society of all time. Information technology touches almost every aspect of modern life. Every day when we get out of bed, we probably reach for our cell phone or our computer, check our email, check what's going on social media. It really touches almost every aspect of our life. Informed users make better choices. So if you have a basis of understanding of information technology, you really can make better choices about how to utilize information technology and automation in your life. IT offers many career opportunities, and so we'll take a brief look at that as well. And even if you do not work directly in IT in your company or organizations, if you have a background in information technology, you'll probably be around IT development projects and other things in your organization. So let's go ahead and look at all these things in a little bit more detail. In today's modern world, we make use of what's called ubiquitous computing. Computing is made to appear everywhere, anywhere, at any time. And most people in developed countries now have multiple computer devices. We have computers in our cars and our phones, tablets, wearable devices, desktop computers, notebook computers, embedded systems, and all kinds of things, including Echo Dots with Alexa and all kinds of digital assistants. Systems are at work 24/7 by 365, and we expect them to be up and running all the time. Internet of Things, or IoT, with smart devices are beginning to dominate the market, and we'll see devices in our homes, factories, and everywhere that are smart enabled devices that are collecting data through central computers through cloud computing. The younger generation has developed a lifestyle around all of these devices and has created a tremendous demand for information technology services and IT information jobs. And so let's look at that a little bit more and how that's defining the need for understanding computer science and information technology. So let's look at some of the statistics around information technology systems. As of 2016, there are over 2 billion smartphones in the use worldwide. That's an incredible number, and the adoption of the cell phone has been the fastest adoption of any technology on the planet. As of 2013, 80% of U.S. households had a personal computer, and now, as of this date, multiple computers are commonplace for probably every member of the household. Google, Apple, and Microsoft are some of the most valued companies in the world, worth trillions of dollars. IT services and software development make up a large portion of our economy, not only in the United States, but worldwide. So understanding computer science and information technology is not only a necessary skill, but a very valuable skill in today's economy. With respect to IT career opportunities, the demand for software developers and IT operations personnel remain very high. In many areas of the world, there's a shortage of IT personnel, and filling jobs is difficult. Pay for IT work remains relatively high. Software engineers make an average salary of $103,035 in 2019, and that's according to Glassdoor.com. And I should note that that's a US-based salary. The demand for personnel for cloud computing, mobile developers, and computer security remain particularly strong right now, especially those personnel that have certifications around cloud computing and computer security remain a very hot area in the economy right now. So even if you're not pursuing a career directly in the information technology or computer science field, become an informed user. Informed users make better decisions. All companies and organizations have IT systems and operations, and more than likely, even if you're not part of the IT department, you will probably be involved in some type of information technology project or development. So it's all around us. The world is changing rapidly. News outlets and the way information is delivered is changing rapidly due to technology changes. Remote workplaces are becoming more commonplace, and so having a command of technology for supporting your own remote office is a necessary skill. New computer devices are being introduced at a rapid pace, so things like wearable devices and embedded devices within all types of things are becoming more commonplace. And so having understanding of computer science and information technology really gives you an advantage inside the workplace. In summary, the IT business is growing at a rapid pace and presents great opportunities for IT personnel worldwide. And it also presents an opportunity for those who want to understand the information technology or computer science background. Technology is changing constantly, and new products and services are introduced daily. The amount of development and new products that are coming out is truly amazing, and it's accelerating at a more rapid pace. So having a basic understanding of information technology and computer science will give you an edge in the world today, in today's economy. So being an informed user is a must in today's rapidly changing world. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. If you like the content, please click the like button. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.